Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to view linked account on Steam. For that, make sure you have the Steam on your PC and you are logged into your account. Now, at this home page of your Steam, at the top, you can see the option Help. You need to click over there. Now, at this Help section, you can see the option Steam Support. You need to click over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. All you have to do is scroll down a bit. There you can see the option Steam Client. You have to click over there. Now again scroll down a bit. There you can see the option Offline Mode. Click over there. Now here you can see Offline Mode page will be opened. All you need to do is click on Contact Steam Support. Now here you need to provide details about the issue you are having. Now at this box you need to simply enter the issue you are having, that is you are not being able to view linked account on Steam. After you are done entering your issue, you can also attach a file, that is your video or photo if you have any. And after that you can click on Send. Now your issue or details has been sent to Steam support. Now they will review it and they will get you back with the issue you are having. And this is how you can view linked account on Steam. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.